Hey everyone, it's Giggle Pops here. Let's have some fun cutting up some fruit and vegetables. So let's see what we get. Oh, that is quite a lot of fruit and vegetables. So we get a cutting board and a really cute orange and green knife. So we will use this to cut up all the food. And let's put, I think most of these are together, but I am gonna quickly put them together and then we can chop, chop, chop. We have some sweet corn. A red chili. This will be really hot to eat. We have a purple aubergine. Which way to cut it? And we have lots of fruit that we're gonna cut. We've got a rosy red apple. Looks delicious. Put it back together. A watermelon. This is my favorite kind of fruit. So let's cut up the watermelon. In watermelon we get little black pips. We've got a red strawberry. And we've cut the strawberry into 2 halves. What shall we cut up next? I think this orange. And it's got its little green leaf on there. An orange has segments inside. And some purple grapes. Oh, we've lost half of our grapes. It's here. And finally, a yellow banana. Woo! Join us tomorrow for more fun and adventures with Giggle Pops.